This is with the old tail kit. Big enough like that. 4 8mm bolts. One on each side here. 2 in the bottom. And we got it dangling. So we're gonna cut this zip tie and see if that's all we need to do. All right, next thing I recommend doing, one that's still dangling on there, is the license plate lamp. And that's sandwiched in between this section. So take these 2 8mm bolts out and see if that gets us out. Like these two are hanging up too. These are T30 only, these little black ones. So now it should come right apart. Look at that. And that's what we're looking for. All right, so if you're wondering how to get your seat off, which I just was, because I never have taken it off yet, there's a little loop right here on the left side of the bike. I don't know if you can see that or not. You just yank that. That actuates this little trigger right here. So anyways, this is what we're looking for. This is the plug. This is what goes underneath here. Back out to the tail back here. So, I don't know why they installed these bolts where you can't even get at them, but I think that we need to take these out next. And this just pops right off. And that wire goes straight out to the back through that little loop. And that's what we're working with. Figured now might be a good time to make sure this works. So we plugged her in. We're gonna fire up the bike, make sure we got brake, and we're supposed to have turn signals in here. So hopefully we order the right one. All right, so we got running light. Let's try out our brake. That works. Try our left signal. Okay, that works. Right signal. That works too. We are good to go. Didn't come with instructions, but I'm assuming it goes something like this. So we got some bolts in the back here to secure the light. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on with this, if this is just supposed to be all flimsy and whatnot, but we'll see here in a minute. So this little cable holder is a T20. So just reroute your new lumen there. And time to figure out how this mounts up to the back here. So there's just 3 number 2 Phillips that attach this bracket to your new brake light. And these are just little 4mm. They go on the side. Put a little dab of blue Loctite on there. So we don't want this flying off on the highway. Just gonna hand tight these, make these hand tight right now. And that should be good until we get it all lined up with the fender, because this is a little loose. I don't know how I feel about that 100%, but it doesn't weigh a lot, so should be fine, I guess. I'm not 100% sure what all this is for. Maybe a running light, or maybe to use real turn signals that are supposed to be on your bike for the road, but I'm just gonna tape these up because we got all the function that we need. All right, so here it is all tucked up. And do a little zip tying in there so stuff's not moving around. And we're gonna put a fender on and see how it looks. Way better. Check that out. Since we just got done with tail tighty, I think we're gonna switch these out for the little Yoshimura thin boys. Let's get into it. All right, that was pretty easy. We just had 4 T30s, 2 on each side here. Pulls a light or front headlight off. And what we're looking at here, so you need to find our headlight. Well, we need to find the wires, and probably got to splice them. These little bolts right here are 13 mil, and it's kind of stuck in between here. Hoping that this little lumen is pretty small, so that should be pretty easy. All right, so these are universal turn signals, so they don't have the stock plugs on them like these square ones that come on the bike. Oh, there we go. See if we can get this to focus. So I cut the old pigtail off from in between the bike system and the tail and the turn signal. So I was able to work on it off the bike. I just put these butt connectors on that came with the kit, and they plug right in, and I already got one working over there. So I'll put the rest of them in and show you the final result. All right, final video of the install. So we're gonna try our front blinker. It's gonna be the right side. And left side. Is that blinking? What do you think, Savannah? Is that cool? Cool. And cancel out. There we go. Job well done. Good job, Savannah.